Good morning, everybody. Today is Wednesday, April 29th, 2020. If you're working with your worksheets, you can also write it 4-29-2020. Either way works. And we'll go ahead and get our calendar put up now. So it is still April. The season is spring and the year is 2020. Our day here is the 29th. So it is April 29th, 2020. Today is Wednesday. Yesterday was Tuesday, and tomorrow is going to be, can you guess? Thursday. Tomorrow is going to be Thursday. So today we are going to be doing a little spinning graph. So if you remember our spinning spelling words, where we took our paper clip and our pencil and did some spinning, we're going to be doing something kind of similar to that with our spinning graphs today with our reptiles. So you're going to have two different sheets. They're going to have different reptiles on it. The first one, you're going to have a rattlesnake, an iguana, a turtle, and an alligator. What you're going to do is you're going to grab your paper clip, put it down in the middle, and put your pencil right on top of it, and then you'll give it a flick and spin it. Now what you need to do is spin it 20 times, and each time you spin it, I want you to color in one of these boxes that you spin. So let's say you spin it and you land on a rattlesnake. So you're going to come up over here and color in this first square. Let's say you spin it again and you land on the iguana. Then you're going to color in this square, and you're going to do that 20 times, only 20 times. Our goal isn't to fill out all of these squares, it's just to spin it that 20 times, see what you land on, and then there are a few questions at the bottom. So it wants to know how many times did you spin on the snake, and then you write that answer in. Number 2, how many times did you spin on the iguana? And you write that in. And it's going to have that for the turtle and the alligator also. Then it wants to know which one did you spin the most of them. So which one has more squares colored in? That'll tell you how many or which one you have spun the most for. So you circle that one. And then it wants to know which one did you spin the least. So you'll circle that one. Now it's going to be the exact same for this one, except you're going to have a sea turtle, a boa, a tortoise, and a lizard. So go ahead and spin 20 times for that one also. Write down how many you spun for each one, which one had the most, and which one had the least. So you'll do that for reptiles 1 and reptiles 2. After that, we have music today with Mrs. Lindsay. That should be on the Zoom meeting. I think we kind of got all those kinks figured out, so we should have no problem getting in now. If you need that login information, you can find it on the Google Classroom. I also sent out an email with all the Google Calendar invites so that you can just click on that and then you should be able to go there. For math, we're working in that workbook and on Boom Learning. And we did do one Zoom meeting yesterday. I've already set up all the meetings for Tuesdays and Thursdays till the end of our school year with Redbook friends. So if you're working in the Redbook, you can sign in at 3 o'clock on Tuesdays and Thursdays, and we can do some review and talk about what we've learned in math, or let me know where you're at so that we can see what we need to do next. I'm going to do the same for my friends working in their yellow book. If you're working in the yellow book, we'll be meeting on Mondays and Wednesdays, still at 3 o'clock. So we'll meet Mondays and Wednesdays with people working in the yellow book, and Tuesdays and Thursdays for those working in the red book. Also, keep on working on that Boom Learning and let me know if you're interested in doing the Flipgrid. I think that could be a lot of fun and something that we can really take advantage of if you guys are down for it. Language arts, we're going to be working in the reading companion one more time. We're going to be starting at page 60 and we're going to be reading that short sight word story, Who Can Help? So that's what we're going to be doing at 1 o'clock. If you have any questions or comments, or if there's anything that you need to reach out to me for, feel free to send me a message, let me know in any of our meetings, and we will get it figured out. If you have any questions about specials, you can email Dr. Nyquist, but I think we should have those all settled. Besides that, I will see you all at 1. Bye, guys.